Today on Food World, we are trying Jose Cuervo chocolates. They were $139. Very expensive taste. In this household, we eat expensive foods. As I open up the wrapper that is surely made of pure gold, I take a sniff. I know it must be edible wrapper. It's not edible. So now, we sniff the chocolate. The aroma smells of dark, pure chocolate. I believe from the Ghana cocoa bean. If anything, it's got to be a North African cocoa bean. This could not be a South American cocoa. I just know.
Cocoa.
This is the purest of cocoas. As the first bite of the cocoa occurs. Oh God. Oh, it's bad. It's bad. Okay. Oh, please don't let that spit it out. Ah! It's bad. It tastes like straight tequila.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Should've gone to the sandwich.